How's everyone doing today? As you can see, I've got the creek here behind me. We're about to go fishing again, so let's get to it. I think I'm gonna start out using a little crawl. You can see that. Put on bug spray, but they out and about today. Darn tick. Get him over there. 9 minutes to get him. Let's see what it looks like swimming through the water here. It looks pretty. Let's get on up there and start making some casts. What you say? I'll make the first throw right up. They already taking interest in it. I may actually end up having to swap to a little bit smaller of a bait. That looks a little better right there. Try it again. Oh, he's swatted at it. Leave water's down even more from what it was the other day. We were here. It's down a lot more. Oh. He missed it. Boy, that's slick. I looked, I ate it just then. Here's that big hole last time where that big old fish was. I'm gonna ease up around down this side. Maybe we'll stop from scaring him like we did last time. Ease right on up in here. Oh, something moved. I don't know which way it went. There he is. It's a good size bass. Oh, he bit it. He spit it out though. I got tangled up right there. Well, there he is. Look at that. Easy now, fish. Nope. Red-eye bass. Pretty fish. Let me get a photo with him. I knew I seen him last time I was up here. I couldn't get him though. All I had was a, what's it called? What was the name of that? Wasp larva. Man, what a pretty fish that is. Don't hardly get no prettier. Let's turn him loose here. Maybe I can catch him again another day. I had a feeling I'd get him. Let's move on up. There he goes again. Man, that surprises me. Let's see what else we can catch. Gives me a little bit more confidence too. That I ain't out here crazy fishing with a lure like this. I don't know what that is. Let's be nosy here. Looks like an old crawfish trap. It is. Is it tied off or did it snap free? Nope, broke free. Well, maybe not. No, it must have been tied off. You can tell it ain't been used in a long time. Some kid didn't lose it or something. I know if I was a kid like that, I'd sure would have hated to lose it. Please on up here. Missed another really good one right up here in this deep pocket. Come across up here to this side. Oh! There he is. Look at that. Shoot, that ain't even a little bass. A little shiner. Let's see here. I'll try to hold him up here for you. Calm down, fish. I'm gonna turn you loose. I mean, he smacked that. I sure hope y'all seen that. Look at that. There he goes. Turn him loose. He smacked it. Came up there and popped it good. Look at that. Mr. Turtle. I'll give him a little helping hand. I probably had to cross that creek. We'll set him right there. That way he can go on up there about his business. We're going to swap out here. I have a feeling why that one was doing so good was because it was almost looked like a little beetle. The way it splashed and float there. There he is. Oh, there's a little water. Got another one. Here we go. Another little red eye. Let's turn him back. There he goes. They're holding right over there in that deep little pool. I've seen several of them. I told you though, I came a little bit more prepared. That was on a little rattle trap. That right there is a shame. People dumping their junk. That's why we can't have nice things. Alright guys, well, it's starting to get late. I think we're gonna head up here and we're gonna hit this one last little hole right here, and then I'm gonna start backtracking. Could it be? I believe it is. Old arrowhead. It's broke. Looks just like one. I believe I'll take it home with me. Alright guys, well that wraps it up for me. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe.